Hello guys and welcome to SimCity 5 now. So I have this big spot to build anything I like, so what I think I'm going to build is something. Okay, so I did this, we were meant to record it but didn't get recorded. I only did 2 stories, then I copied the top story, then I pasted it there, pasted it up and so on till it was that high. So this time I'm going to make another one, and when we recorded that, well, it got corrupted or something and it didn't record somehow. So I'm just going to do this. So let's start the time lapse now.
Time again, I tell myself that you no good. Bad for my health and I can't help myself, it's understood. Poison, but I love it. Kill me softly with these lips I'm touching. Lust and love it, nothing but disgust from knowing it's temporary, something's gotta give. Let me go and let me live. Holding on to what I thought I knew, but no, I ain't no it's. Time I notice and just wake up from this dream, or just go deeper. Reality ain't really what it seems. So please don't wake me up. Please don't wake me from this nightmare. Please don't wake me from this nightmare. Please don't. Please don't wake me from this nightmare. So let me sleep. I'll die if I wake, but I'm already dead. How much more can I take? Nightmare. So here we go again. It seems like nothing's changed except for you. And you know me, I've always been the same. I'm done playing your games. This time it's over. Hit reset, but why can't I seem to put down the controller? You're everything I hate, the reason I hate to love. Still love the way you lie, truth I can't get enough. So let me dream fast asleep, though it ain't quite fair. Rather be lost in this thing I'm calling a nightmare. So please don't wake me up. Please don't wake me from this. Please don't wake me from this nightmare. Please don't. Please don't wake me from this nightmare. From this nightmare. So let me sleep. I'll die if I wake, but I'm already dead. How much more can I take? Nightmare. Please don't wake me from this nightmare. Surround me. All I need is you. It's you, yeah, it's you. Chased 1,000 empty dreams, all the while behind
Okay guys, I decided that I will stop the speed build right now and clear out my computer space a bit because it's lagging, which means it's probably low on space. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just did some deleting and emptied the recycle bin, and now I've got another 12 gigabytes of space. So back into the speed build. Bam.
Fades in the background to fill the spaces left behind. I'm high when I'm with you. Feel the love, let it surround me. Feel the love, watch it astound me now. Take it all and then resupply me. All I need is you. It's you, yeah, it's you. Surround me. Feel the love, watch it astound me now. Take it all and then resupply me. All I need is you. It's you, yeah, it's you.
Okay guys, this is what I've done so far. I don't know why it's lagging again. I think it's because I'm in a certain area. In certain areas it just lags, and then like when I come over here, if I open F3, wow, earlier when I was over here it was like 80 frames per second. But here's not the finished product, what I've done so far, and I am going to be back when I have extended it, copied and pasted it up, and yeah. So guys, here's the finished product. I copy and pasted everything up, and I stuck a dome roof on the top. It's not necessarily that good. I don't know, it looks fine. Maybe that corner needs a bit of stuff done to it, but here it is. I'm so proud of it. It looks so good. It looks like it deserves to be here. I'm so happy. Guys, well, I want to say this is a work building. A business building, and yeah.